Small kitchens and limited spaces can be hard to manage, but the right tools can make things easier. In this video, I have listed the best tiny appliances and clever gadgets that help you save space without losing convenience. These products are simple, useful, and designed to fit into tight areas. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Compact Clothes Dryer. Using dual variable frequency motors, it delivers strong drying power while cutting down on time. With 1:1 forward and reverse rotation, clothes are dispersed evenly, leaving them soft and fluffy with 360 degrees drying. Intelligent sensors monitor temperature and humidity, automatically stopping when garments are dry. A dual filter system captures lint, hair, and dust efficiently. No installation or drainage is required. Just plug it in and use it for hassle-free, convenient laundry care. Slim bathroom storage. Slim and space-saving in design, it's ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, or tight corners where extra storage is needed. Featuring 4 tiers with drawers and shelves, it provides ample room for toiletries, towels, or accessories. Built with water-resistant materials, it resists moisture and stays durable in humid environments. Beyond the bathroom, it doubles as a multipurpose organizer for spices in the kitchen, cosmetics in the bedroom, or essentials in the living room. Chair bed sleeper. Featuring a 3-in-1 convertible design, it quickly transforms from a chair to a chaise lounge or full bed, complete with a soft leather pillow for comfort. The plush corduroy fabric and high-density foam provide cloud-like support without sagging. With 5 adjustable reclining positions, it easily adapts for lounging, reading, or sleeping. Built on a strong steel frame with a non-slip base, it supports up to 300 pounds while protecting floors from scratches. Plastic stackable storage bins. Designed with 5 stackable tiers, these bins can be arranged freely for customized storage. Each unit has a unique top lid that ensures stability when stacked and also provides extra space for placing items above. The open front design allows quick access to essentials without hassle. Smooth bottom wheels make it easy to move between kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, or living spaces. A practical and flexible solution for keeping everyday necessities organized. Lipstick organizer. Made of premium acrylic plastic, it's durable, safe, and shatter-resistant, making it ideal for everyday use. With a 12-slot layout, it neatly stores lipsticks, glosses, eyeliners, or other cosmetics, keeping your vanity clutter-free. Its clear design provides visibility, so your favorite shades are always within easy reach. Compact in size but spacious in capacity, it's both functional and stylish. A thoughtful gift choice for makeup lovers on birthdays, housewarmings, or special occasions. Dispenser for Ziploc bags. Engineered with a front access design, it allows you to grab sandwich bags in seconds, perfect for busy mornings. The compact construction mounts easily under cabinets or inside cupboards, saving valuable counter space. Compatible with quart, sandwich, and snack-size bags, it keeps essentials organized and ready to use. Built from durable, high-quality materials, it ensures long-term reliability in your kitchen. A practical storage upgrade that eliminates clutter and makes meal prep easier. Mini toaster oven. Compact yet versatile, it prepares toast, pizza, bagels, paninis, and even cookies with ease. Its dial-controlled timer ensures consistent results every time. Easy-to-clean features include a removable baking tray, oven rack, and crumb tray, all dishwasher-safe for convenience. Its small footprint makes it energy-efficient and perfect for limited counter space. With sleek styling and trendy color options, it blends seamlessly into any kitchen and makes a thoughtful gift for new homeowners. Portable mini dishwasher. Compact yet powerful, it holds over 30 items, including plates up to 9.5 inches, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, or RVs. With a 5-liter built-in tank, it requires no installation and can also connect directly to a faucet. 6 washing programs, including steam and fruit wash, meet diverse cleaning needs. High-temperature cycles reach up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively sanitizing heavily soiled dishes and even baby bottles. efficient, space-saving, and convenient for daily use. Rotating bookshelf tower. Crafted from 100% natural rubber wood, it combines strength with elegant design, showcasing warm textures and fine grain. The 360 degrees rotating feature ensures books or decor are within easy reach, while lockable caster wheels provide safety and mobility. Its multi-level arrangement offers generous storage capacity, suitable for books, ornaments, or daily items. Customizable in height, it allows you to choose the number of tiers assembled. Perfect for adding style and practicality to any room. Drawer organizer. Built with a 2-row, 3-tier design, it maximizes drawer space by creating layered storage. Featuring adjustable dividers, it easily expands or collapses to fit different needs, offering tailored organization for any drawer. Constructed from sturdy ABS material, it's durable, smooth to pull out, and simple to clean. Versatile in use, it neatly arranges kitchen utensils, stationery, cosmetics, jewelry, or office supplies. A practical solution to transform messy drawers into tidy, efficient spaces. Tiny vacuum. Strong suction power, a reusable filter, and a brush attachment make this handy mini vacuum perfect for quick cleanups. At just 6 inches, it's small enough to fit in your hand yet powerful enough to tackle dust, crumbs, and dirt on your desk, keyboard, or workspace. Its compact size makes it a fun and useful gift for kids, coworkers, or anyone who needs a little help tidying up their space without bulky equipment. Pull-out cabinet organizer. Expandable design with adjustable width from 12 to 20 inches, this pull-out cabinet organizer is built for frameless cabinets and offers smooth, quiet sliding. Made from heavy-duty metal with damping guide rails, it can handle pots, pans, or pantry essentials with ease. Installation is simple, no drilling or nails required, just a few quick steps. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and under-sink storage, it maximizes every inch of space while keeping everything neatly accessible and organized. Shoe cabinet. 3 flip drawers with adjustable panels allow this slim shoe cabinet to hold 36 pairs of shoes while keeping them free from dust and clutter. Its narrow design fits easily in entryways, hallways, or porches without taking up much room. Each drawer provides 2 tiers of storage, accommodating everything from flats to mid-boots. The top surface works well for decor, plants, or small essentials, making it a stylish and functional addition to any home. Makeup organizer. Large capacity storage with room for tall skincare bottles, lipsticks, eyeshadow palettes, powders, and even jewelry makes this makeup organizer a versatile choice. Made from durable ABS material with a transparent acrylic lid, it keeps cosmetics dust-proof and waterproof. A golden handle, rounded design, and non-slip feet add elegance, while a portable handle makes it easy to move between spaces. Perfect for keeping vanities tidy at home, in the bathroom, or even while traveling. Compact bread maker. With 19 pre-programmed settings including gluten-free, whole wheat, sourdough starter, jam, and yogurt, this compact bread maker ensures fresh homemade results every time. A 1.5 pounds capacity makes it ideal for small families, and a delay timer means you can wake up to warm bread. It features a non-stick pan, kneading paddles, and accessories for easy baking. Compact, efficient, and beginner-friendly, it takes up less counter space while delivering evenly baked, perfectly shaped loaves. Portable juicer blender. A lightweight 350 milliliters portable blender with stainless steel blades and a powerful motor makes it easy to prepare smoothies, juices, or protein shakes anywhere. Its USB wireless magnetic charging system provides up to 15 cups on a full charge. Safety features like automatic stop, overload, and overheating protection ensure reliable use. Made from food-grade materials with a non-slip silicone base, it's perfect for travel, gym, or office use and makes a thoughtful gift for fitness enthusiasts. Compact vanity. A multifunctional 3-in-1 vanity desk with a flippable mirror transforms between makeup table, nightstand, and storage solution. Equipped with 3 drawers, hidden compartments, and a pull-out stool, it saves space while keeping essentials neatly organized. The LED mirror offers 3 color settings with adjustable brightness for perfect lighting. Made from durable MDF with a sleek white finish, it is easy to clean, stylish, and a practical gift choice for special occasions. Folding dining table. An extendable folding design allows this table to function as a console, dining table, or workspace, seating up to 6 when fully opened. Crafted from sturdy plywood with swivel casters and lockable brakes, it moves smoothly while staying stable. 2 storage drawers add convenience, while the drop-leaf sides can fold to save space in small homes. Measuring 60-inch long when open but just 13-inch when folded, it's ideal for apartments or multifunctional living areas. Slim toaster. At just 3.58 inches wide, this slim toaster is designed to save space without sacrificing performance. A 10-inch long slot accommodates artisan breads, bagels, or 2 slices side by side. With 6 shade settings and a cancel function, it delivers toast exactly the way you like it, from light to crispy. A removable crumb tray ensures easy cleanup, while cord storage keeps counters clutter-free. A sleek design makes it a practical and stylish kitchen addition. Bed sheet organizer. Made of durable PP plus PET material, this bed sheet organizer is sturdy, stackable, and resistant to pressure or deformation. A fully enclosed design protects bedding from dust, spills, and scratches. Transparent windows on both sides make it easy to identify stored items, while label areas allow quick organization. Measuring 15.75-inch length x 13-inch width x 5.3-inch height, it fits neatly in closets, shelves, or under the bed. Foldable when not in use, it's perfect for compact living spaces. Saving space doesn't mean giving up on convenience, and these 20 tiny appliances and clever gadgets prove just that. From compact kitchen helpers to smart home essentials, each one is designed to make your daily routine easier while keeping clutter to a minimum. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with friends who love smart space-saving ideas, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.